Are you ready? Okay, let's sing the hello song in 1, 2, 3. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Get ready to learn and play. Alright, very good. Now, I have a question. What day is it today? Let's check the calendar. Repeat, calendar. Very good. So, what day is it today? Today is Tuesday. Yes, repeat, Tuesday. Very good. And what month are we in? Remember, we are in September. Yes, can you repeat? September. Very good. Great job. And what's the weather like today, guys? Go and look out your window at your house, okay? Open the window and tell me, is it sunny? Is it rainy or partly cloudy? Today, here in Mamãe Coruja, it's a rainy day, okay? The sky is dark, so it's raining. So now let's sing the weather song. 1, 2, 3. What's the weather? What's the weather on this Tuesday? On this Tuesday. Let's look out the window. Let's look out the window. It is rainy. It is rainy. All right, very good. Now I have a story, a little story. Do you remember Lucy and Bobby? Okay, so Lucy and Bobby are playing in the garden. The garden outside. They are playing and suddenly, look, they found a nest. What is a nest? This is a nest, and there are the mommy bird. Repeat, mommy bird. Okay. The baby bird. Repeat, baby bird. And the egg. Repeat, egg. Very good. And they are inside the nest. Repeat, nest. Okay, very good. So how cute. There is the little mommy and the baby bird. They are in the nest. And Lucy and Bobby were taking care of the baby and the mommy bird. Okay? Alright, guys. So, Lucy and Bobby are taking care of the mommy bird, the baby bird, the eggs, and the nest. Alright? Have you already seen a nest? Then you tell me later, okay? Now let's sing the bye-bye song. 1, 2, 3. It is time to wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. Wave goodbye.